Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just received this package from Erin Condren, so let's unbox it together and see what's inside. Thanks for joining me today. This is sort of a special unboxing because this was a giveaway gift that I got from Erin Condren because periodically they have contests, little like giveaway, things you can comment either in our EC Squad Zooms or on our Facebook group. And so this was for the new Petite planners. So I'm super excited because I won this and I got to tag a friend, and I tagged Sarah from Creating with Sarah. So we both received this. So I've always been inspired by her Petite planner stuff. So this is a great way for me to try it out. So let's open this box up. Let me just try and pull this over. Oh, wow. So this is their new Petite Planner Folio. Let me take everything out and then we'll look at it all together. Let's do that first. Okay, so I received the new Petite Planner Folio cover, the full year of the Petite Planner Daily, which this year's design is the Bold Blooms, which I love. And then I also got a Life Planner Sampler Pack, which starts pretty much this week. So this is cool. This is really good. I'm going to look through this. Let me put this to the side right now, and then we can go through all the stuff. I'm going to unpackage everything, and we'll look at this more. Okay, I've unwrapped everything, and it's so beautiful. And this is the new Petite Folio cover. The other covers were just like a vegan leather cover without a snap, so things could they had like a rubber band closure. And I really like this button closure, and it really lets the notebooks you pick kind of like peek through everything. So let's set this up really quick. So I'm going to put through the first daily planner. We'll go through the daily planners, but I just want to show you quickly how this kind of fits into the into these rings. Not rings, they're strings. They're strings, not rings. So you can put 4 books in here. I wouldn't go more than 4. Usually I think typically 3 is enough for me. So that's just 1 in here. Obviously you wouldn't have 1. You'd have these, and these are the rest of the year. We'll go through these in a little bit. Let me put this over to the side here. And I do have some Petite planners that I have on my own. What else would I put in here? If I have my daily plans in here, I would put in a lined notebook. Did I get this wrong? For some reason I didn't go this way. You just find the middle seam of the book, and there you go. And then this one is a meal wellness log. I did use some of this in the beginning here. And I now have inserts for this too, for my ring planner. And then finally, this is a goal planner that came with the box. I think it was a box maybe 2 years ago. And that goes here. So these are A5 size rings basically. And then now I can just snap it. And I have 4 books in here. I love this so much more because this actually is pretty stable for 4 books in here. It's much more than the previous ones where you had the string to tie around it. I feel like it was more floppy. And then I love seeing the bold blooms shine through. So I actually have the cover for the regular 7x9 life planner. And I'm kind of like getting ready for this for next year with my Hello Kitty life planner in here. So I'm really glad I got pink because it also comes in the Peacock, like a green color. And I'm kind of glad that I have like, big sister, little sister here. So this is really cute. And so the cool thing is with this stuff, so this is just for the folio for the life planner. And back here you have like this whole like secretarial pocket and like a little slot here. So what you could do even is if I was on the go and I don't want to bring all this stuff, you could just say, well, I want my daily planner with me. You can take this out And put this aside. And you could also, I don't think it'll fit back here. I think I could also just do this. Yeah, there you go. So I could have my daily planner back here, and then I think it would go on the second button. But yeah, you can take everything to go. So that's kind of what is cool about the this Petite planner system. I feel like it's more flexible. So even if you didn't want to have the cover and carry 4 notebooks, you could just take this with you on the go. So let's dive down deeper into this. I haven't used this, wow, in a long time. Before there were inserts for the ring planner, I did buy this and cut this out of here to put into my ring planner. But the only thing is this paper is different. It's still really good. It's actually smoother than the paper, the Mohawk paper that's used in the Life Planner, which has a little bit more tooth to it. Oh my God, I can't wait to start using this planner. This is really cute. So I think I'm gonna try this out. I really want to try this out for January. And what I love about it is that you can kind of make your own categories. Let me put this aside because thank you everyone for your comments on this Hello Kitty planner. It's just so cute. I'm really, really happy about it. So if you have any more questions about it, just let me know. Okay, let's put that aside. And then we can dive deeper into these daily planners. I mean, the bold blooms, look at these 4 books together. January to March, April to June. Let's get it in here. And then July to September. Oh my God, so beautiful. I feel like you can see the actual like brush strokes. It looks like there's brush strokes on these. And I'm sure it was done digitally, or maybe it's not done digitally, but you can actually, I feel like I can see the textures on here. It's really well done. It's so beautiful. So, okay, so these 4, and plus I have the markers, so I feel like I'm gonna like have fun using these. I really have been loving this A5 size, and more, I feel like it's just a great way on the go, especially when traveling, or, you know, when as a mom, you have like, you know, school sports going on and you're in the car waiting for games to be done or whatnot. It's much easier to take on the go than a larger life planner. And ideally, I hope with this like little folio, I think what I would do, I feel like 4 is too much to bring around. I would actually just do 2 or 3 at the most. Like I would take this out and have like with this together, 3 books. It's enough. Look at the weight wise, it's pretty good. So I always would have a lined notebook, and then I can always have my wellness log with me. I feel like that's kind of more key to on the go, or 2 notebooks too. It's up to you. So let's open this up. This is these books are sewn bound. You can see here. It's really well done. This color palette is just so gorgeous. So this is the opening page. It shows volume 1, January to March 2025. Let's zoom in a little more. Okay. Okay. And so this follows the bold blooms design. So here's January. I'm getting used to this like already colored block on the side. The section here with for the notes. It's really beautiful. And then you have your first day, which is Wednesday, January 1st. And you have 3 different categories you can put things in. I think sometimes I would put home, work, and like things for school. And this would be like a running to-do list that it could change throughout the day, either like grocery list or things I need to do for different things, different aspects of the home. And then they have a small calendar down here, which I actually think is pretty useful in here because it's not replicated on each page, but it's just here so you know where you are in the month. And this is for Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday are together, which is fine by me because I don't really do a lot on the weekends. This is just enough for like errands you need to run, you know, meal planning or whatnot. Saturday and Sunday I feel like are more reset days. I'm more concentrated on planning for the rest of the week on the weekends. So it just follows this pattern. I love this color palette. Let's see if it changes. So that goes on for the rest of the month. And then let's see, when you get to February, it changes to this like mustardy color here. So that's still January here. So then you follows the same thing with it, sort of this gradation of color going through. I think that's this color here. So that kind of matches with it. And that's February. And then the last month is March. Here with all the holidays are all printed on here too. And I'm sure they do have the other additional holidays on here. No, they don't. Okay, anyway. So that's March, and then it's this like gray color. And that goes to the rest of the month. And then there's only at the end this 2-page note spread. And there's a pocket back here, stickers. Oh, and then the holidays, extra holidays here. So you're able to go through and then add in Black History Month begins for February. In March, there's Women's History Month and so forth. This actually goes for the whole year. Oh, okay. So this is the whole year. And I think you can use it for the rest of your notebooks as well. So, and then there's some labels here to add your own, and then some other stickers here. But these are really nice. I love these little small stickers. And this color palette is really pretty. You can see. I was never really a big fan of gold foiling, but it works really well in here. Really small. I'm loving it more now. So that's this Petite planner. Let's just go through and look at some of the other ones here. Really quickly back here. Oh, so it does have the same holiday page in the other ones. So you'll always get the full holidays for the whole year in the back, in addition to the stickers as well. So this is just a great way to like take it on the go, and they really kind of elevated these Petite planners. This is volume 2, April to June. So here's April, this lavender color. Let's try and let's look at April, and there's May. It's like a pale green, and June. June is a green. It's like June and May are the same. Okay. So that's the second quarter. There's a third quarter, July to September. And July is back to pink. Oh, I think maybe there's just 2 or 3 colors, I guess, because it goes through this taupe color for September, and in the middle, this mustardy brown color for August. So it's nice. It does follow the color palette. It's probably a little bit different than the actual life planner. And then here's October to December. Sort of like lavender color, mauve-ish tone. And November, this is greenish gray. And December is the same, sort of. The taupe. I don't know what this tone is. Let me just see. This is more greenish, and I guess it's more gray here. Maybe this is a little darker. It's hard for me to see. Anyway, very cute. I love these. This is really handy. Thank you so much to Alexis and Erin Condren for sending this to me. I'm so happy I won. Never win anything after entering all these years, at least for the last 4 years since we've had this Facebook group. Okay, so let me just set this back up again. I am going to put this one back in. And I'm not sure yet about what other notebooks I'm going to put in here, but so far I think this is handy. Just having a daily planner here and notes. Okay, I really love how this Petite planner is just so clean, and it's already like, in a way, if you didn't want to decorate it, it's sort of pre-decorated in a way for you because you have the colors, but you can easily add, right, with the markers on here. I think all of these sort of match together. They're all in the same tone. So you can kind of like highlight your activities here, color coordinate things either with your kids or whatnot, or use stickers if you want to. I'm sort of moving away from not putting too much stickers, just enough for some decor, but not too much that I'm overwhelmed with like having too many things on the page too. So this is a kind of a really nice clean interface, but it's well designed, so it makes you want to plan, if that makes sense. You don't feel like you have to really decorate it, because usually in a notebook I highlight and I write the topic, but this already has the sort of like key headings for me already. So that's kind of nice. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I'm actually maybe later in December, I'm not sure when, but I'm going to do my whole like what planners I'll be using. And I think I'm going to do more of my daily planning in here and take a break from my ring planner and use my ring planner more of as my reference place, because I have so many inserts. I have so many notes that I need to keep in there that it's like it's getting a little thick, and I don't want to hurt the rings on that. So I feel like this is a good option, because if I did need to take it somewhere, I could just take this my daily planner out and just take it with me. Instead of the ring planner, it's just sheets of paper. So we'll see. It's also cool, like at the end of the year, you could have 4 books archived really well for the whole year also. So that's a good thing too. Okay, and then they also sent in this box this Life Planner sampler pack. And let's take a look at this, because this came out first, I think it was back in the summer before like everything, all the planners started in July. So this is really cool, because basically this goes through starting next week on Monday all the way through till Christmas. So past Christmas to New Year's. So you get like the whole rest of the next few months to try out different layouts. So here's October 2024 and the layout for this coming week. So we're getting like to Halloween, October time. And then the following week this is really cool to try out the horizontal, the hourly, which I've been using this one for years. This is like the first time I'm not using it. So let's see how far I can go. I do like it a lot. And this is the compact vertical, but the larger compact vertical size. And then here's Bold Blooms. Oh, and it's a daily, the large daily. Oh, I do like the large daily. This is cool. It goes through that, and then we get to November. With this must be canvas. It's very clean. And then the horizontal in November. Hourly, canvas compact vertical. Very cool. Ooh, I like that. That's very nice too. And then daily. These are daily in the Inspire colors. And then back to vertical. This is Bold Blooms, vertical, and canvas horizontal, and Inspire hourly. It's nice. And this book actually, the one I had before, like the pages fell out. So this one feels a lot more secure. Like they're bound together really well. So that's really cool. I'm really happy to do this and to try this out, because I might, I've been thinking of getting, if I don't use the vertical, I haven't done it so long, so I may keep the Hello Kitty as a vertical, or I may coil in hourly, because I'm used to that, or a compact vertical. We'll see where that is. Yeah, this compact vertical would be nice too. So that would be nice and clean for the weeks, and then I would have everything else like for the months and everything else cute for Hello Kitty. So this is kind of nice to decorate the weekly view. Yeah, so I'm really glad they're doing this, and we're able to like try out more of the planner styles. Thank you to Alexis and the team at Erin Condren for sending me this wonderful giveaway gift. I'll have everything linked down below in the description, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.